Right, here we go. I'll clean all the studs up. I had to retake them all out because some of them were back to front. And so, clean a stud. Let's show you how I do it. Right. First of all, give it a wipe. Inspect it. Right. Stick it in a drill. Make sure it goes all the way in the drill, and then you just gently tighten it up. So it's not tight at all. Spin it up. Let's just turn that down a bit. Spin it up on the drill, and then get a wire brush. That's not meant to happen, but I'll do that. Oh yeah. So put it in, just gently nip it up. Turn it around. Do the same on the other end. Now, if you've got rusty shafts, you can get a bit of emery paper, rubbing down paper, wrap it round. So if I've got a bit to hand. So, wrap it round like that. And then just gently move it back forth, and that's sort of shaft cleaned up. And if there was any rust on there, then it'd be clean as a whistle. But that's the easiest way to clean a thread. Especially just have a little inspection. Sometimes you don't get everything out first time and you have to do it again, but when you've got that lot to do, I've already done 2, so if you've got 12 to do, trying to get a tap and run it tap down them, it's alright, but you know, that takes time and everything else, where that, see how quick that was. That's just a little quick intro.